Hello everyone, so this is problem number 34 of chapter fluid mechanics. In this question it is given that a water leaks out from an open tank through a hole of area 2 mm square. So area of hole is equal to 2 mm square and the cross section area of this tank is 0.4 meter square. Height of the tank is equal to 80 centimeter. Now this is the tank. This is the tank and suppose it is leaking from the bottom, which is given. So first question, and it is given that the atmospheric pressure is P. Suppose this is the water level field. This is the water level field which was at T is equal to 0. Now this here it will have an atmospheric pressure, and here it is opening, so here also there will be atmospheric pressure. Now A, find the initial speed of water coming out of the hole. So we'll apply the Bernoulli principle. Let this be section 1, this be section 2. So we can apply the Bernoulli principle, that is P plus rho GH plus half rho V square is equal to 0, constant. So here pressure is atmospheric pressure, rho G into H plus half rho. Let us assume that speed here is almost negligible, that is 0, and here pressure is atmospheric pressure. Now there is no height and there is speed V, so half rho V square. So from here you will get V is equal to 2gh. So this is the speed which it will leak out. So that speed is 210 into h is 0.8. So value we will get as 4 meter per second. This was A part. Now B part. Find the speed of water coming out when half the tank has leaked out. So now h has become h by 2. So definitely V will become 2gh by 2. So gh is equal to 10 into 0.8. So it is root 8 meter per second. C part. Find the volume of water leaked out during the time dt after height h is remained. Okay, suppose if the height h is remained, then velocity will be root under 2gh. Now in time dt, what is the volume that is going to come out? That is equal to, suppose this is the area and the volume which is going to come out is equal to this area into whatever distance it is going to cover in dt time, that is this is V into dt. So this small dv area, this is the leak, this small dv area is equal to dv volume is equal to, since it is coming out, so dv will be negative, so we'll put a minus sign here to make it positive. Now dv is equal to volume is equal to area, that is A into V into T, Vt, area into this length, so that is the volume. So minus dv is equal to area is equal to 2 millimeter square, V is equal to root under 2gh into dt. Now this is the volume. Now thus find the decrease in height dh in terms of units. Now if the height is h, so we can write this volume as this entire volume as area into h. So dv is equal to area into dh also. So we can substitute there that minus a into dh is equal to a root under 2gh into dt. So this is h, not t. So dh is equal to minus a by a upon root under h into root under 2g into dt. So if you integrate this, at t is equal to 0, height was 80 centimeter. At t is equal to t, you want to get that time when the height is half, that is 40 centimeter. So if you will integrate this, you will get 2 root 2 2 root h, 0.8 to 0.4 with minus sign here, a by a into root under 2z into t. So substitute all the value in SI unit and you will get the time as 6.5 hours. Here you will get in second, and if you convert it to hours, so you will get 6.5 hours.